Greetings. In this quick video I want to show you how to unloosen a zip tie, a nylon cable zip tie like this without damaging it. It's fairly simple to do. You can do it actually with your bare hands, your bare fingers. It's pretty easy. Or you could use it with a pair of pliers, and I'll show you that in a second. So for example, as you can see here, there's a little tab right here in the body of the tie. The only thing you want to do is while it's fastened, you're going to push this tie to the left like that. All right, so let's go ahead and show you for demonstrations. So you can see there, it won't come. I could use a little, I could use a butter knife, I could use like a little flathead, or I could use my fingernails. You can see this. Just grab that little head there to the left, push it to the left, and it just pops out like that. Fairly simple to do. Now the second method is you could use regular pair of pliers. You can use a needle nose. I got needle nose here. Takes a little bit more force. As you can see, I got one right here. And the only thing you want to do is clamp down there and squeeze and then pull. It's a little bit more complicated. As you can see there, that worked fine. But this one, let's try with our fingernails again. Now, the way this one's do it, I would do it to my left. And I would just grab it like that and pull right there. Like that. There we go. All right. And I can reuse these ties now. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.